Hello guys, how are you doing today? This is Kunle Crypto. I'm here once again to share this amazing tip on how to make money reading emails online for free. So today we're not going to be talking about crypto, no cryptocurrency for now. For today, I'm going to be showing you a free way to just make money reading emails online. And the amazing part is you can do this anywhere you are in the world. There's no discrimination, no favoritism, nothing like that. When you just what you just have to do is just try and register on the platform. So I just want to warn, this is not a get rich scheme. It's not a quick money maker also. It's just for you to just make money passively, just extra income. So the name of the website is Paid to Read Email. As you can see on my dashboard, as you can see on the web, paid to read email. I will drop the link in the comment section for you to join too. So the thing is, when you get to the website, you register, put your email, put your details, and from time to time mails will be sent to your email. So you have to log into your email to check the mails that you're going to read. When you read this, a point score will be given to you. The purpose of reading the emails is some companies need your opinions, they need your reviews about products. They want you to read for them to have data, for them to have a general overview or how many people are reading it. So that's just the scope. So now let me take you through my account. And the funniest thing is, I've been on this program for like 6 months, but I'm now back again. I totally forgot about it. I now saw the mail today. I checked my email, I saw the mail, I just opened it, and I'm of the opinion someone I referred like 2 months ago, I've collected like twice now. Yeah, he has collected $30. Meanwhile, me that referred the person, I've not collected once. So it's due to that person's persistence and diligence. Let me take you through my account. Yeah, let me take you through my earnings. Yeah, as you can see, the sign-up bonus is $3.00 and paid emails 48.96. So when you get to $15, you can ask for payout. That's just the scope about this. I want you guys to register. I will drop my link in the comment section of this video or the description. Register and earn passively with me. So if you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel and also follow me on TikTok via Kunle Crypto. Thank you and God bless.